Hello and welcome to Software Tutorials. In today's video we will learn about the menu bar of Adobe Photoshop CC. There are total of 11 tools in Photoshop menu bar. Let's see them one by one. The first is the File menu. The File menu contains all the options to create new file, open any file you were previously working or any PSD file that is made in Photoshop software and to save the current file you are working on. Photoshop allows you to export the work in different formats such as PNG, files, PDF, etc. We will learn all the different format in another video. In this newer versions you can share your work directly to the Behance website. The Automate options allows you to batch process no of photos at the same time. It also allows lens correction and merge HDR functions for photographers. The Script option lets you batch process multiple photos and additionally layers also. The Import option helps you to import video and edit frame by frame video by converting it into layers in Photoshop. And you can directly exit the Photoshop application for the Exit option. The second menu is the Edit menu. The Edit menu enables the editor to edit any photo. This menu gives more options than there are in the toolbar. The third menu is the Image menu. From this menu you can auto-tone, auto-contrast, and auto-color your photos. You can change the image as well as canvas size for this menu. The fourth menu is the Layer menu. From this menu you can create new layer. It allows you to do all sorts of editing on the individual layer of the Photoshop file. The fifth menu is the Type menu. This is used when you are working with text in the file. From this menu you can add new font, open the paragraph and character panels for editing your text. The sixth menu is the Select menu. This is used to select, deselect, layers, color range, etc. The seventh menu is the Filter menu. As you have used or know about filters that you can apply via various apps, you can apply various preset of filters available on the individual as well as whole image file. The 8th menu is a new menu introduced by Photoshop that is 3D menu. Now you can work in a 3D view and can create 3-dimension photos inside Photoshop itself. The 9th menu is the View menu. This menu hosts the viewing options for the artboard such as zoom in, zoom out, screen modes, etc. The 10th menu is the Windows menu, which hosts all the panels that are available in the Photoshop such as brushes, layers, timelines, and many more. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming lessons on Photoshop. The 11th and the last menu is the Help menu. This contains the Photoshop Help, plug-in details as well as options like Update. This concludes the menu bar. As we progress along our lessons we will practically use all the options and see their functioning.